Hello everyone, and welcome to TechSphere Academy. I'm Amelia, bringing you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Our top story tonight, a groundbreaking achievement in quantum computing that could reshape our technological future.
Quantum computing, a field that has been shrouded in mystery and excitement, is making headlines once again. Scientists have reached a critical milestone, achieving unprecedented stability in qubits, the building blocks of quantum computers. So, what exactly is a qubit? And why is this breakthrough such a big deal? Let's break it down for you. In classical computers, the kind we use every day, data is stored in bits, which can be either a 0 or a 1. But qubits are different. They can be both 0 and 1 at the same time, thanks to something called superposition. This allows quantum computers to perform calculations at speeds we can barely imagine.
Joining us now from her laboratory in California is Dr. Emily Carter, a leading expert in quantum computing. Dr. Carter, thank you for being with us. Can you explain why this new breakthrough is so significant?
Thank you for having me. This breakthrough addresses one of the biggest challenges in quantum computing: qubit stability. Previously, qubits were extremely fragile, losing their state due to environmental noise. But now, researchers have managed to extend their stability significantly, meaning quantum computers can run longer and solve more complex problems.
That's incredible. What could this mean for industries and everyday people?
That's right, Amelia. This new discovery can open many doors and opportunities. The potential is enormous. We're talking about faster drug discovery in healthcare, optimization in transportation, breakthroughs in AI, and even tackling climate change. It's like unlocking a supercomputer on steroids for specific tasks.
The applications are endless, but before we get too excited, experts caution that it may still be years before quantum computers become mainstream. For now, this breakthrough is a step in the right direction.
Now, let's take a look at a world first. This week, LG Electronics is reinforcing its leadership in premium OLED gaming monitors, revealing the world's first bendable gaming monitor. Speaking of being first in 2025, let's see who the first 25 people to subscribe to the channel in 2025. Can you beat everyone else? Well, are you one of the first? If you are, then congratulations. And thank you for supporting the channel. Look out for your name in our next show. But now, let's catch up with our reporter, Martin.
LG Electronics is reinforcing its leadership in premium OLED gaming monitors with the LG UltraGear GX9 series, set to be unveiled at CES 2025 this January. The new lineup includes the 45GX990A, winner of 3 CES 2025 Innovation Awards, including the prestigious Best of Innovation. To ensure maximum gaming immersion, all UltraGear GX9 series models feature curved display panels employing LG's advanced OLED technology. The 45GX990A and 45GX950A are 45-inch, 21:9 gaming monitors featuring ultra-high 5K 2K resolution, a first for OLED monitors. With generous screen real estate, these monitors are a great choice not only for gaming but for various different uses. The LG UltraGear OLED Bendable Gaming Monitor, Model 45GX990A, is the world's first 5K 2K resolution bendable OLED gaming monitor with 800R curvature and DisplayPort 2.1. Another standout model from the new GX9 lineup is the LG UltraGear OLED Gaming Monitor, Model 45GX950A. Like its bendable sibling, the 45GX950A features dual-mode functionality with 8 customizable configurations and supports DisplayPort 2.1, HDMI 2.1 and USB-C with 90-watt power delivery. This ensures seamless compatibility with the latest graphics cards and features such as variable refresh rate while enabling convenient device charging. Certified by NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, the monitor has reduced screen tearing for a smoother, more responsive gaming experience. The UltraGear GX9 series sets a new standard for OLED gaming monitors, combining groundbreaking display technology with smart features that expand and enhance the user experience, said Is Lee, Vice President and Head of the IT Business Unit, LG Media Entertainment Solution Company.
Thanks, Martin. Now, let's be honest. It would not be a complete news update if we did not include at least one story about a cybersecurity breach. After all, 2024 has been a record year for cyber attacks. But, as this is the end of the year, our security reporter Charlie thought he would bring you 3 instead of just 1.
AT&T, Verizon, and Lumen Technologies confirmed that Chinese government-backed snoops accessed portions of their systems earlier this year, while the White House added them to the list of those breached by Salt Typhoon. The digital intrusion, which has been called the worst telecom hack in our nation's history, gave Beijing-backed spies the capability to geolocate millions of individuals and record phone calls at will. Anne Neuberger, Deputy National Security Advisor for Cyber and Emerging Technology, informed reporters. AT&T said the foreign spies compromised a small number of its customers in the espionage campaign and added that the PRC-backed crew had since been kicked out of its networks. In the relatively few instances in which an individual's information was impacted, we have complied with our notification obligations in cooperation with law enforcement. Verizon also confirmed that the Chinese intruders had accessed a small number of high-profile customers in government and politics. A spokesperson said that it notified these customers and has since contained the cyber incident brought on by this nation-state threat actor. We have not detected threat actor activity in Verizon's network for some time, and after considerable work addressing this incident, we can report that Verizon has contained the activities associated with this particular incident. Verizon's Chief Legal Officer, Vandana Venkatesh, reported. Finally, Lumen Technologies, another one of the firms breached in the attack, told us that it has also booted the Chinese attackers out of its systems and said it found no evidence that customer data was accessed. An independent forensics firm has confirmed Salt Typhoon is no longer in our network, a spokesperson confirmed. In addition, our federal partners have not shared any information that would suggest otherwise. The Chinese gained access to networks, essentially had broad and full access, Neuberger told reporters. In one instance, the spies broke into an admin account that then gave them access to more than 100,000 routers, she added. The White House doesn't yet have a number on how many total people were affected by the breach, she added. We believe a large number of individuals were affected by geolocation and metadata of phones. A smaller number around actual collection of phone calls and texts, Neuberger said. And I think the scale we're talking about is far larger on the geolocation, probably less than 100 on the actual individuals.
Our reporter Charlie there, on what can only be described as cybersecurity breaches on an epic level. Moving on. If you live in Europe, then we have some bad news for you.
As of December 27, Apple has stopped selling the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus, and third-generation iPhone SE in all EU member states, including France, Germany, Italy, and Spain. This decision follows regulations requiring electronic devices sold in these countries to feature USB-C charging ports, which these models lack. The European Common Charging Directive, which establishes new rules for radio equipment sold in the EU, took effect on December 28, amongst other things. It mandates that most gadgets, including phones, tablets, and cameras, charge via USB-C in a bid to reduce e-waste and address market fragmentation. A universal charging standard ensures one charger can work for multiple devices, reducing the need to own or purchase different cables. It also prevents manufacturers from bundling their specific chargers with their products and adding its associated cost to the price. The iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus, and iPhone SE, as well as the Magic Keyboard, all come with the Lightning port that have now been removed from Apple's online stores across most EU countries, as reported by McRumors. As the UK left the EU in 2020, the devices can still be purchased in England, Wales, and Scotland. However, the devices are not available in Northern Ireland, as it operates in the EU's single market. These Apple devices are still available outside of Europe, such as in the US, India, and China. Apple-authorized resellers in the EU will be able to continue selling the Lightning-enabled iPhones until they run out, according to French website iGeneration, which also broke news of the impending discontinuation on December 13th. The tech giant initially claimed the EU's regulation stifles innovation in a statement to Reuters in 2020. Apple eventually relented, adding USB-C ports to the iPhone 15 series in 2023. Europe accounts for more than a quarter of Apple's total revenue, so the loss of its market would cost the company dearly. All iPads and AirPods sold by Apple are already USB-C only.
And finally, For this week, we have a hopeful story that is a real high flyer and represents the next frontier in medical supplies delivery. Our reporter, Steffi, takes a look.
Dragonfly Inc. announced last week that it has completed the initial flights for a proof-of-concept drone delivery project in collaboration with Mass General Brigham, MGB, Home Hospital. The initial phase of this research and development initiative focused on evaluating and mapping potential drone delivery routes in partnership with MGB and regulatory bodies. The test flights, which included takeoffs and landings within the hospital's infrastructure, marked a significant milestone, though they were not yet involved in actual care delivery. The primary goal of this initiative is to explore how drone deliveries can provide timely access to critical medical supplies and laboratory samples, thus minimizing the delays typically caused by traditional logistics methods. The first phase of the project, concentrated around the greater Boston metropolitan area, is designed to test Dragonfly's proprietary drone technology in addressing key healthcare logistics challenges, particularly in reducing delays caused by traffic congestion and outdated delivery processes. Dr. David Levine, MD, MPH, MA, Clinical Director of Research and Development at Mass General Brigham Healthcare at Home, shared his vision. This is a first step toward our vision of someday delivering high-quality healthcare directly to patients' homes in a more timely and cost-effective manner. The medical drone delivery sector is rapidly expanding, with drones increasingly used to deliver medical products, equipment, and medications to healthcare facilities, remote areas, and individual patients in need. They offer a fast, efficient solution for emergency deliveries or to manage peak demand. Cameron Schell, CEO of Dragonfly, expressed his enthusiasm for the partnership with Mass General Brigham, stating, "We are thrilled to see the progress of our drone delivery services with Mass General Brigham. Dragonfly's hope is to establish a transformation in how healthcare providers manage logistics, enabling faster, more reliable delivery of essential supplies that directly benefits patients and care providers alike."